Hello everybody and welcome to Not That Kind of Channel. I decided not making a video during the week, but now I'm so curious because today I got my turning signals, my LED turning signals from Amazon, and I can't wait to see them on the car. So I decided, I make this short video and show you how these turning lights will look like and how to change them. For the change, you don't need any tools. You only need your fingers and a little bit of your power in your fingers. And yes, that's it. And how to do this, I will show you in a few seconds. So, down here, as you can see, there is our turning light in the door. So, what we need to do is, we need to take our fingers, push the turning light forward and then pull it out. So, I hope I can do it with one hand. It's a little bit tricky. Just give me a second. I will do it with the other one. So, okay. And that's it. And now there is this small clip you have to push and then get off the turning signal. So, but be careful that the cable will stay outside and not get back into the door. So, now I will show you the new lights. So, here are the new lights. I bought them on Amazon for 30 euros or something like that. And they are black. They are real dark black. And they have this cool LED effect that the light goes from the back side to the front side, like the new LEDs. What I forgot to show you is how the old lights look like. They are blinking, ding 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 like that, and this is a very cool signal. So let's have a look. So as you can see here, this is the old turning signal. Yes, it's not boring, but it doesn't look very great. So, and then we change to the right one. Go over here. So now I'll take the first one, and as you can see here, there is this clip, and this clip needs to be on the front side. So we'll put the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. This is the new turning light. So plug it in. Whoa, that was close. Oh yes, it's really looking great. So to bring it back in again. So, and this is how the new light is looking. So what I'm gonna do now is I will change also the second side. So let's go to the second one. To change, this one is the exact way than we did on the other side. So push forward if it's possible. Whoa, that's what nice. Yeah, no, it's not. So, really hard work. As you see here, you need to push it forward and then pull it out, and then you get the cable. And here, for a better view, you see this small clip. Hope you can see it. This is here, and you have to press this, and then you can get the light out. Whoa! Be aware that the cable isn't gone away. So take the next one. It's really difficult to film if you have only one hand to work, but I'll give my best for you. So, whoa. Okay, and turn around. As I said before, this little knob here has to see it better what I'm doing here. Yeah, and that's it. So now I will turn on the signal on this side. Let's have a look. Yeah, works pretty nice. So this was my short video about how to change the turning lights in the door. Please let me know what your thoughts about these lights are. Do you like the old one more or do you like the new one? Please let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about them. And if you find this video helpful, please give me a like, and if you want to see more from that kind of content, please subscribe. So have a nice day guys, and bye, and see you next time.